And welcome back. And today I'm going to answer the question: how do I unlock my Lazypay account? Now, if you want to unlock your Lazypay account, that means your account is blocked or your card is blocked. The steps to unblock it depends on whether it's a temporary or permanent block. First, you have to identify the type of block it is. Determine if your account or card has been temporarily or permanently blocked. The reason for the block is crucial. Common reasons for temporary blocks might include suspicious activity or multiple incorrect login attempts. Permanent blocks can occur due to more serious issues such as losing your card and importing it. So what do? For temporary blocks, you can use the Lazypay app. If your Lazypay card is temporarily blocked, you can also unblock it directly through the Lazypay app. Look for a Manage Card section within the app where you can view the card status and initiate the unblock process. For most other scenarios, including if you cannot unblock through the app or if the block is permanent, you will need to contact Lazypay customer care. This is the verified method for resolving accounts accept issues. You can also call their helpline at 022-698-21111. 022-698-21111. Their operating hours are typically Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can also reach out to them via email at wecare@lazypay.in. So all you have to do is when you're contacting customer care, be prepared to provide your account details and explain the issues you are facing. They will guide you through the necessary steps to verify your identity and the reason for the block to assist in unblocking your account. It is important for you to consider something. A permanent block on your card usually means the card details are no longer usable. In such cases, customer care will likely guide you on how to obtain a new card if applicable. Lazypay emphasizes contacting them only through official channels, the number and the email are provided, and being wary of suspicious requests for information. If your account was blocked due to outstanding dues or other issues, you might need to resolve those first before the account can be unlocked. Always refer to the official Lazypay app or website for the most up-to-date contact information and procedures. Hope you found this video helpful.